Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. So today I will show you how to create a Twitter thread. Sometimes a single tweet is not enough for what we want to tell. When what we're going to tell is long, we have to divide it into tweets. Yeah, the thread feature on the Twitter is so useful and can help us in this regard. Now we will tell you how to use this feature. Recently, Twitter introduced a new feature called Twitter Thread. It's also known as Tweet Story. A Twitter thread means a series of connected tweets from one person. It helps you to connect multiple tweets together, so you can easily break the Twitter's 280 character limit by this feature. Now watch how to create a Twitter thread. Let's see. So step 1, we have to log into our Twitter, but I have already logged in. You're gonna go to twitter.com in your desktop browser or launch the Twitter app on your smartphone. So if you are now logged in, you do with your username and then your password. And when you're logged in, you're gonna see this homepage. And what we're gonna do is compose a new tweet. And we're gonna click this tweet button at the top bar and we're just gonna do this. And what we're gonna do here is, for example, what do I want to tell? I'd like to put out what I have been telling you. Like recently, I will talk about this thread. So as you can see right here, it has gotten red, right? I write down my tweet and I had to write something under 240 characters, like in what's happening field. But if you go over the character limit, the text is over the limit, it will be highlighted in red color, which is like this, right? So you can easily copy it to your next to it. So what we do here for us to like Twitter, you can easily brag Twitter's 200 characters. So what we're gonna do is from here we're gonna create a new one, and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do copy, and then we're gonna paste it here. Most of the time what people do is like to make it look like it's still going, they can put three dots, or they can put a plus, something like this. We're gonna put plus, and so, or let's just go with 3 dots. Let's also go with 3 dots here. So yeah, and this is a thread. Like it's a two thread. It's a 2 tweets of thread, but it's still good. So when we click here, tweet all right here, we're gonna post our thread, and when you have finished tweet all button at the bottom, it's in the world. Yeah. So I'm doing this, and as you can see, it has just appeared on my timeline like this. So we're done. Now we can click on the show this thread from your tweet to the view whole thread, and it's finished. So how it works is like this. We can do this, and when we go down, we see that it is connected. You see, and if you would like to add another thing to your thread, you can just do it like this here. You will click on this, you will write down. It's very easy. So if you have any other questions about Twitter, how to tweet, those things, just ask me comment in the comments. I will be there for your questions, and I will be answering them. So thank you for watching, and keep tuned, stay tuned. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Take care. See you.